Hey guys, it's Greg. Um, it's Wednesday, September 12th. Not feeling good at all right now. Um, haven't had a good night as far as being nauseous and fighting off a bad headache. But I wanted to get this out in case it might help someone or can help someone. Um, with the hurricane coming in, I'm in upstate South Carolina, so I'm going to have to deal with it. Um, and I'm glad that so many people have evacuated. Um, I, I think the storm's probably going to be a little worse than what everyone expects. Um, Personally, I've been looking at the European model, and that's based just solely on looking at pressures, high pressure, low pressure, and understanding vacuum pressure and how pressure works. Um, a low pressure will pull it, and high pressure is gonna push. It's just same thing as in if you were in space. If you got a tear in your suit, you know, if you're in a vacuum, the air is gonna go straight out. Or, um, well, anyway. Uh, anyway, in 1995, yeah, August, I think. Um, we had the remnants of Jerry come across this area, and it dumped like 9, 10, 11 inches of rain, anywhere between 9 to 11 inches of rain in this area, and um, uh, had a person. I had a friend that was actually the girlfriend of a guy that I'm really good friends with. Um, but she was a friend. She wasn't a really good friend, but she was a friend. She was a good person. Uh, but she was 20 years old, and she uh, was driving at night. I think there were three other people in the car with her. She was driving and hit water that was flowing over a bridge, and I'm not sure how exactly it did what it did, but it took the car, it dumped it off in a flooded area, and she got swept away and drowned. Um, and Vicky was just 20 years old. Um, you know, you know about the dangers of the surge, and since Katrina happened, and then Harvey, we know what happens from the initial impacts. But I mean, Jerry hit and came, on shore in the panhandle of Florida, and I'm in upstate South Carolina, so it went like northwest and then started to turn and then go northeast and just came across this area, but it dumped so much rain here that it really. My brother and I went out driving around in my four-wheel drive, and back then you had that. We used to have those big cameras you had to put on your shoulder with you put the whole VHS tape in, and we went out and I filmed. He drove and I filmed, and I've never seen that much water in my life. So, um, it once it gets here and gets inside inland, just be cautious and be aware of what the possibility is of there, and it's really good possibility, especially if you're going into a low line area or anywhere near a river or even a creek, um, of it flooding. And water. It doesn't take very much water to get under tires to move a vehicle. You'd be surprised. So just everybody be careful. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna go lay down and try to go to bed. All right. Uh, Everybody be safe. Anybody that's in South Carolina, North Carolina, be safe. And if you have time now, go out and try to get what you need. Even here, everybody that has evacuated the coast has pretty much come here, and the store shelves are emptying quick. So um, make sure you have what you need. Try to have what you need and stay inside. And try not to drive. Even cigarettes. Even a pack of cigarettes is not worth dying over. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good one, guys. Please be safe. Be good to everyone else. Take care, guys.